Time for this Range Rover to get a serious performance upgrade. The team are highly experienced in tuning the Jaguar Land Rover 5-litre V8, and there is a massive potential just waiting to be unlocked. Let's start by getting the old exhaust system off, ready for the installation of a premium quality stainless steel system from Paramount Performance. This V8 is going to sound awesome. And for some serious power, we've upgraded the upper pulley and crank pulley. This alters the gearing of the supercharger, providing much more air and much more power. Of course, it is vital the mechanical upgrades are combined with a VIEZU Performance remap. This optimizes settings and ensures we safely extract the maximum power from our upgrades. While we're at it, let's fit some performance air filters too. Now, how does the new exhaust system sound? Pretty epic, I'd say, just like a V8 should. Time for a dyno run to find out what power we've added with those upgrades. Get in touch to find out how we can enhance your car. Call us today on 01789 77 4444 or email info@viezu.com.